What's the meaning of a student? A student. A student.
A student. A student. The term, a student, generally refers to a person who is currently enrolled in an educational institution and is actively pursuing their studies. This individual is typically recognized for their academic achievements, which may include high grades, exceptional test scores, and a strong work ethic. Being a student can also connote a sense of dedication towards one's education and future career aspirations. Overall, the term is often used as a marker of intellectual proficiency and academic success.